Hindi lahat ng itim na Subaru hindi, no? Scale. Ayan, hand for scale. Ayan!
Yes, please!
Driving the Subaru BRZ. I'm just talking, and if you're still watching, what the frick are you doing with your life? Okay, so it's Saturday morning, and we're heading to Boxer Madness with this car. So we're just gonna check the oil and water. Kasi medyo long trip. It's gonna be in Clark. Tapos, decided to open up the other BRZ also. Since nandiyan na rin tayo. So, napansin ko lang, the old one's front overhang is slightly shorter than the new one. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. 2.4. 2 liter. 2 liter. 2.4. So, compare ko lang din yung trunk space. So, dito sa old one, the button is underneath. Oh no, the car's locked. Ayan, so this is the space. And then let's open the new one muna. Ito, medyo concerned ko lang dito sa new one. It's a physical button that's super exposed. So, medyo nakakatakot if this wears out, but I don't know yet. Okay, ayan, it's a bit smaller. So, sanay kami dito sa trunk ng old BRZ. So, it's kinda wider and deeper. And this one, medyo mahirap kasi we had to squeeze everything in. And it's a bit shallow. It's a bit shallow, but yeah. Mas sports car feeling yung cargo space nung 2022 BRZ. Ito pwede pa pang pamilya eh. Ito sports talaga eh. Welcome to the vlog. This is not yet the review. Driving the Subaru BRZ. Okay, so we're in Starbucks Bertafel muna. So, ayun ang BRZ. And I'm just gonna get breakfast before heading there. Hi, Uzi!
Hi! Wow, a lot of Subarus.
Not surprised!
Yan o, STA yan o. Talagang
Mamaya ikutan ko yan.
putek kung putek. Fights.
Oh my God!
Oh, S4. So good.
Ang tapang.
Tapos dito, overlanding naman.
Oh, cute! Diyan sila ba tutulog?
Yeah.
Oh, si Tito Jam. He's my fake tito. I got a free truck day pretending to be related to him. Hindi lahat ng itim na Subaru hindi, no? Okay, so we're at Boxer Madness today. So there's like a lot of Subarus. I think 400 plus of them. And let's just walk around and look at cool stuff first. Tapos mamaya may Russ Swift Stunt show. So, ayan. Let's go! Pag. Oh my God, may parking scheme ba? Everyone's like nakabalandra. But like may mga clusters sila. There's performance over here. That white one. And then may ano doon, nakasulat na overlanding. So, I think they're just clustered. It's so cool kasi they really get to use their Asymmetric All Wheel Drive system. Except for maybe the BRZs. Hehe. Good job, guys. But cool though. Uy! GR86. What's this doing here? Well, it's a boxer. What else is here? Many stuff. Gashi! Oh my God, ang cute ng car cover niya. It's the cars na eyes. Ang cute! Oh, sino yan? Sino yan? It's Mr. Jollibee Ligaya. I think they're E36ing. I'm staying away from this BMW people. Hello, vlog!
Hi, vlog!
I'm a little disoriented by the heat. And I don't know anything about Subarus aside from the new ones that we've tried. So, oopsie. It's so cool to see different kinds of setups in Subarus. Manggulo tayo dito. Hello! Hello! Hello!
Hey!
Hello!
What's up?
How does your camo work? Like, in which environment will it camouflage?
Snow?
Snow?
Hope you are still
I don't know,
here
I don't
because
know.
what
Hi, Lord.
Hi, Chi!
Okay, we're taking a tour of Jed's car, pero hindi siya yung magtutour. Representative. Hello. O, show us around.
Jed's car, not mine.
Ayan.
Camo wrap.
Snow camo.
Advan GTs.
Advan GTs.
Use a 6-pot Alcon brakes.
Okay, I need to put my hand for scale. Ayan, hand for scale. Ayan. So big. Ilang pot?
6-pot.
6 pot.
Then an original carbon parachute.
Yeah.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon Lodi. Carbon Lodi.
Functional air ducts.
Wow.
You remove the fog lights for the oil cooler.
Oh, here's the oil cooler. Ayan, kita ba? Ayan, oil cooler. Yes! Pinagtrabaho ba kita?
Bride seats.
Bride.
And then the Grady series
The ano,
gauge.
yeah.
I don't know if you can...
I haven't seen a real one yet. Puro Japex. Ayan. Wow, it registers so nice sa camera.
And then ehem water mesh.
Yeah.
And then look at the cage. It's a Cusco cage.
Okay. Oh, CF.
Carbon.
Carbon fiber. There's your carbon fiber. And then you have your cute little Fire X for your track days. Ayan.
And then sa rear.
how much? 4,000
ehem mesh tank.
Messed up. Oh!
Pop the hood, pops.
Pop the hood! Stuck lang, Pops? Hello!
Original parachute.
Yan. There's your Allens over there. Wiwo! Ano oras?
When I drove it, back then, I wasn't pushing it. It did a 151 in BRZ.
You!
I think I can do a 148,
Yeah?
maybe. If she lets me.
Oh, yes.
We go to the rear of the car.
The puwet. Puwet.
Yeah, Subi speed, taillights, APR racing, like big ass wing, big wang,
Carbon Lodi.
big wang. I don't know what diffuser.
That's cool.
And then an Nvidia R400 exhaust.
Yo! So cool.
Jenny Jimenez,
Yes!
how has your Boxer Madness experience been so far?
Hello, vlog! Oh my god, it's my first Subaru event and super enjoy.
Ano yung favorite kotse na nakita mo sa mga naka-display ngayon?
So my favorite is Jam Jimenez's Subaru Legacy. Ay, hindi ako sip-sip. Legit.
Okay? Tayo. Thank you.
Thank you for being in the vlog.
Were you rolling?
Yes.
Crossfire pala yan, crossfire.
Plug na. Where do we follow?
Follow Buhay Aerial for drone stuff and some videos.
This is the official Boxer Madness video.
Oh, I see.
So,
BTS.
follow Boxer Madness on Facebook. And even if you don't have a Subaru, join Subaru Club Philippines para mabudol na rin kayo bumili ng Subaru.
Amen. So we're walking to the medyo paddock tent thing ng Russ Swift Stunt Show. Ayan, naka-jack yung BRZ. Gusto ko lang silipin. Kasi we don't have time to silip our test unit. Ayan. So these are the cars he was using.
Of course.
Russ Swift is here. Ayan.
Every time you yell closer.
Those two cars get closer than ever. Picture perfect, Russ Swift. Russ, please put on a show.
Okay, prepping to ride with Russ Swift. So the small camera is gonna go here.
Okay, full
Ayan, exciting! Okay, so we're gonna do it two wheels thing.
Wait, Subaru, thank you so much for helping this relationship.
This is a real honour to meet you. Please pass on my regards to Valentino. I'm sure you've never heard of him.
Russ, go back here.
Oh my god.
No, I.
Just going to reach over.
Okay.
Like that. You okay there?
Yeah.
Right.
Wait, we need to. No, Russ, what are you doing? What? Okay. What? She bit you?
Hindi ko siya kinagat! Hindi ko siya kinagat!
No, please, Russ, give her one more chance. One more chance, okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay?
Yeah.
No biting?
Yes. I won't.
That was fantastic. Down there as well. Well done.
Ladies and gentlemen, do you want to see one more person inside the car? One more. Do I hear one more?
Okay.
One more person. I think we have someone here.
Oh my god.
You ready? I'm not. Okay. Enjoy.
Oh, look at them inside the car. Going all the way to the end.
Oh my god.
What do you mean? One more! Do you want to see one more person?
Oh my god, isa pa daw.
Me? Uh-oh. Oh, here we go. What do you mean? Oh, here we go.
Okay, we're four in the car now. Here's the floor.
Keep talking.
My goodness, Lord!
I've never heard you so quiet.
Russ! Russ! Ow! Pampanga makes some noise!
Thank you!
Right there! Let's go, Russ! Just like that! Make some noise for Russ Swift! There you go, good sport, good sport. How about one more? One more. Later daw ulit, later.
Yan, ang cool. So they have a cleanup drive. People are picking up trash. Ayan. You see people with green bags over there. Pabigatan ng trash, and I think you win something. That's pretty significant. So yeah, that's super cool.
Hindi pwedeng sobra sa trash bag.
It's 5:50 p.m. It was a crazy day. And yeah, that's it for our chaotic Subaru vlog, Boxer Madness vlog. Ayan. So we got to ride with Russ Swift. And we got to walk around Judd's car, among other things. So, yeah, yun lang. If you enjoy this video, like, comment, subscribe. Baka naman. You can also follow me on my other socials. We have Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook where I update almost daily. So yeah, see you guys! Yun lang! Tututu!